Children, welcome back. So let's start with our exercises of Birbal and the cooking pot. Please beta open page number 67. Okay, first exercise is your true false. Write true or false for these sentences. Birbal told Akbar that no ordinary man could survive the cold of the water of the river. True. The washerman's wife encouraged him to spend the night in the river. No, she didn't. So write down here false. A courtier told Akbar that the river was not really cold. True. Birbal convinced the emperor to give the washerman his reward. True. So take out your fair notebooks, beta, for writing your question answers. So in this way, beta, write down on the top chapter number 8, Birbal the cooking pot. Then your word meanings. Here you write down here. I haven't written here word meanings. So write down on the top word meanings. Okay. First is your courtiers. Okay. People who advise a king in his court will be richly rewarded, will get a grand prize. Pavements, footpaths. Write down here exercise B. Answer these questions. First question is your, what did Akbar want to test? Akbar wanted to test the strength of a common man in his kingdom. Question number 2. What did the drummer announce to the people? Anyone who could stand for one night in the river near the palace would be richly rewarded. Anyone who could stand for one night in the river near the palace would be richly rewarded. Who won the test set by Akbar? The washerman won the test set by Akbar. Full stop. Why did Akbar not reward? Why did Akbar not reward the man at first? A wicked courtier misled him that the lights of his palace had made the water warm. Full stop. What did Birbal do to make Akbar realize his mistake? Birbal hung the cooking pot on a branch of a tree to get the warmth from the palace. This was all in your question answers, beta. Now come to the next exercise. Some words such as heard, sound the same. Correct? Correct, no? But the spellings are different. Spellings and even meanings are also different of this heard and this heard. So same way we are having so many words like peace, peace. This piece is different and this piece is different. Pain, pain, different. Breaks, breaks. Both are spelling, pronunciation is same. But the spellings and meaning of both these words are different. So start doing this, beta. Fill in the blanks with the correct words from the box. Okay, you have to choose a correct word from this box and write down here. Please clean the window. Pane. P-A-N-E. Pane. Okay. Granny has pain in her knees. P-A-I-N. Pain. Okay. Glass breaks very easily. Breaks. B-R-E-A-K-S. Breaks. If you apply the brakes, B-R-A-K-E-S, brakes, the car will slow down. The Sahil had a large piece of cake. P-I-E-C-E, peace. Okay. We all want peace. Peace means shanti here. Okay. In Hindi we call this, okay, shanti. P-E-A-C-E, peace in the world. But the next exercise, match the following, match the names of the following people. Match the names of the people with the work they do. Washerman washes clothes. Waiter serves food in a restaurant. A nurse again takes care of the sick. Poet writes a poems. Then farmer grows crops. An artist draws and paints pictures. Beta, take out your this workbook. This is your page number 34, beta. Exercise A. Birbal and the cooking pot. Fill in the blanks with the correct words within the brackets. Try this pill for pain, P-A-I-N, pain in your stomach. We will get off, O-F-F, off the bus at the zoo. The wound will heal soon, H-E-A-L, heal. The baby bawled when the rattle fell out of his hand, B-A-W-L-E-D. Can you help me to untie this knot, K-N-O-T, knot in my shoelace? Ruby's mother took her to the mall, M-A-L-L, mall, to buy supplies for her drawing class. What do you, B exercise, what do you do at these places? Choose words from the box. At cinema, watch. At cricket match, we cheer. In a kitchen, we cook. In a park, we play. Okay, at a restaurant, eat. In a library, read. So this was all in your this chapter. So fear down in your notebooks and books, and have a good day, children.